your DVD player is really easy. Simply slide in the CD slot, wait for the video to load. Once the movie is loaded, simply press the display screen to pull up the menu. To make your selection, on the far right, you want to hit the keypad. Now we can move up and down on the selection menu and hit enter to start. After a few seconds, the menu will time itself out and disappear. Once the vehicle is placed in the drive position, the movie will no longer display on the main screen. It can only be operated from the rear vehicle using the given remote control. To raise the front display, press the key as shown. To drop the display screen, simply press the button at the center of the unit. Slide the screen down and the movie will start playing. The remote control is conveniently stored under the unit. Pop it out and now you'll have full access to all the features. Tahoe and Silverado come with 2 wireless headsets and a remote control. Simply press the power button on the top of the right earphone until the red light comes on. The volume control is on the side. As soon as the headphones are activated, the movie will no longer play over the loudspeaker.